What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, I have a very special guest. He is crypto rich. He's been many years in the crypto space. He's also got a YouTube channel. I'll be leaving the link in the description. He covers quite a different project, so you need to go and check him out. Crypto Rich, how are you doing today?
Andy, I'm doing really, really well. Thank you so much for inviting me to be in your channel. And this is a two-part video series we've done and I think our channels really complement each other. Because
Absolutely.
you do really great TA,
and
I focus on projects and fundamentals. And the kind of projects I focus on are projects, one that appeal to a particular ethos that I have, all about privacy and freedom and also passive income. And then also, I'm a hodler, long-term hodler. So on my channel, you'll learn about hodling, and on Andy's channel, you'll learn about TA. And I just want to say, I started my channel April 2014. My background is April 2017. My background is in child protection social work, and I've gone back to doing that again in the last few months or so. And I don't have a pension because I devoted my life to working to protect children who are being abused. My own children have never been to school. They're home educated, which meant me and my wife, we're a single income family. So I've had to travel in order to work. I do contract work. I don't have a pension as a function of those choices. So cryptocurrencies, and in particular, some of the smaller projects that I've been following and hodling and supporting are my salvation.
Perfect. I mean, that's why the cryptocurrencies are here. Also, the decentralized finance, right? Right.
Yes,
Rich,
absolutely.
I want you to tell me, I guess you've got some of the latest projects that you are covering. I want you to share them on the channel, if that's okay with you. Just share with me one of the latest projects that you're actually looking into.
Okay, well, I'm going to talk about two projects in this video. One is privacy, and the other one is passive income.
Perfect.
Okay, this is the website for Pirate Chain, pirate.black. This launched in August 2018. Fair launch, no raise, nothing like that. They just released the code and people started mining it. I've been covering it since September 2018. And this is the most private and most secure of all the cryptocurrencies. And it's more private and more secure than Monero. You can't do a double spend attack on Pirate Chain because of the tech that it uses, delayed proof of work. And it's completely private because it's a proof of work coin. So you mine it, and then it goes, say, from your mining rig, Andy, into your wallet. That's the only transaction you can see.
Oh, wow.
And that's to make sure that the miners aren't cheating and printing more pirate than they should, right? So it goes from your mining rig to your wallet, and that's it. You can't look inside the wallet. Nobody knows how much you've got. Completely private. And nobody knows how much you've sent out, how much has gone in. It's a black box. Nobody can tell. So you could send me pirate. Nobody will know you've sent it to me. Nobody will know I've received it. There is no data on the blockchain to analyze. So other privacy cryptos like Zcash, Dash, PivX, they all have optional privacy. And what happens is most people choose transparency. So then you don't have, if you have 10 transactions and 8 of them are transparent, then over time you can work out the wallets and the addresses and the amounts that are in the private transactions and the private wallets. But with Pirate Chain, no option for transparency. It's all private. And I believe you cannot have freedom without privacy. You cannot have freedom without privacy. And then where it shows up for those of you that are interested in what my channel offers in terms of the value of hodling, TA is good and hodling is good. Do both is what I recommend. So this is November 2018 when Pirate Chain listed on Coin Paprika. It was about 3 cents. Now I was accumulating Pirate Chain in September 2018 when it was less than a penny. Less than a penny. And I just kept accumulating throughout all this. I mean, I got most of it here at the beginning, actually, when it was really, really dirt cheap. And because of the fundamentals, privacy is going to get increasingly important because of all the censorship and authoritarianism that's sweeping the world currently. It rose to a ridiculous high of just almost touching $17 a few weeks ago. and currently it's about $3.85. So look, if you'd have bought something for a penny 2 years ago, and even
Wow.
now it was $3.85, but you bought a load for a penny, you'd be very, very happy.
That's over
Anything you want to
300x.
ask, say about this?
Yeah. Well, I mean, that's over 300x. You know, if it's under just about a penny, at $3.79 now, just with this recent crash, it's already a 379x, which
That's
is
right.
absolutely insane.
It is completely insane. Now they have a halving every 270 days.
Okay.
So I'm looking at accumulating a little bit more, because come the halving, the supply will reduce.
Yeah.
And the next halving's end of August, and the one after that, I think is, well, it's going to be 270 days later, which I think is February. And people can find out all the information from the Pirate Chain website, pirate.black. Go join the Telegram group. I'm one of the admins there. I'm actually one of the team at Pirate Chain. And just full disclosure, I'm a first mate on the good ship Pirate Chain. The ticker symbol is ARRR, which is pronounced R, but it's a completely decentralized project. It's all run by volunteers. There's no company behind it, no organization, just people who are committed to privacy as an access to freedom. So that's it on Pirate Chain.
Perfect. I think privacy is going to have a really big role in the crypto industry in the near future, because I mean, the privacy is so important. Yeah.
Yes. And I suppose even now. And I just want to say why this is more private than Monero. I mean, Monero is great. And I remember when Monero was pennies, and I wish, actually, I did buy some Monero when it was pennies, but I sold it later on. I bought some more again, right? Monero is great. But in terms of the anonymity set, like if you think of a haystack, Monero's anonymity set, I've heard figures between 7 to 100. Pirate Chain's anonymity set is over 350,000. So it's just a much, much bigger haystack, many times bigger haystack. Wow. So that's why, and it's cheap. It's cheap. It's really, really cheap, even now, because it's a much newer project. So that's Pirate Chain.
Perfect.
Then the next one is Solar Oil Project. And I shall have my link in the description below. And this is a passive income project that pays you in oil.
I mean, oh, really?
Wow. Yeah. I mean, not real oil, because that's dangerous and gloopy. But what they've done is they tokenize oil, and it's a green project because you've got these thousands and thousands of redundant oil wells in North America, which can't be used because they're too expensive to extract the oil. So what Solar Oil are doing, they're using the money that they've raised to use high-tech, solar-powered, cheap pumps to get the remaining oil out. They tokenize that oil, and then token holders like myself, we get paid in SOPX tokens. Now, I launched this a few weeks ago. I invested about $5,000 in this, and at current oil prices, my predicted returns are about $19,800.
Wow, that's amazing
for a $5,000 investment. But oil is currently about $65.
Approximately the barrel. You mean? Yes.
Yeah, a barrel.
And
I think it's likely to go up.
Oh yeah,
because it's really, really low, right? And it's the most used commodity in the world. So I am banking on the value of oil increasing over time and getting passive income in the form of tokenized oil. And these SOPX tokens, I can convert them. I'll be able to convert them to fiat, to other cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, ETH, and they're adding more.
Wow.
Or I can convert them to the SOAX tokens, which means I can buy, I can just buy more SOPX tokens with those and stake some more and just earn more and more and more money. Now, this project is connected to Spectre.ai. Spectre.ai launched in 2017. I've been covering them ever since then. Since April 2018, they've been paying their token holders, including me, ETH on a regular basis. So I've been earning ETH since April 2018 from my Spectre.ai holdings, and they've invested something like $250,000 into this project. So, and I've done a few videos on this. I'm hoping to have an interview with the founder of this project. So this is the kind of stuff that I cover. Any questions you want to ask about this?
It looks an amazing project, actually. I'll have a quick deep dive into this project myself. I can see they have their own exchange also. So as you mentioned, you can change your SOPX tokens to any other cryptocurrencies or fiat. So, I mean,
yeah, right now it's Bitcoin and ETH, and they're adding more as they grow and grow and grow. Yeah. And I have videos on my channel that explain how all this all works. So, you should definitely watch those, Andy. And I'll have my referral link in the description below so people go check this out for themselves.
Perfect. Very, very exciting project, I can see. I mean, thank you very much for sharing this. I'll definitely have a deep dive on your videos and on the project. So yeah, the link is going to be in the description also. Crypto Rich, thank you.
Oh, Andy, can I offer a bonus?
Absolutely.
So everybody who's watching, if you've got an Android phone or desktop, Linux, Windows, or Mac, go to sentinel.co, and you will get a free decentralized VPN. It's currently free.
Well, I've got to take advantage of that. Definitely.
You've got to take advantage of that. And at some point in the next few weeks or so, next few months, you're going to start. It's going to be a paid service, but it's also going to allow token holders like myself to earn passive income by giving bandwidth to the decentralized VPN. So just another little plug there for a privacy focused project.
I'm actually going to use it myself, actually. Thanks for mentioning that.
Good.
All right, Rich, thank you very much for coming on the channel. I'll be leaving the link of Crypto Rich YouTube channel in the description. Thank you very much. I hope we can get together very, very soon also, so you can mention, some different projects. I'll be doing some TA on your channel also. So thank you very much. It's been a pleasure to be in my channel. Thanks.
Thank you.